Got 4 hooks on them, and they just slide in here like this and clip on the frame. That one's on. And that one's on. And then there's a couple Phillips screws that hold them together. So that side's fastened in. The other side I'm going to leave because I have to wear a cable stay. This little piece here fits right in here. And its job is to hold the top of those sections down. And these I like to put in by hand. I don't really like to use a power tool to put these in because it's kind of easy to strip these out. And like most of the things on here, it doesn't have to be super tight. It just has to be tight enough so that it holds everything in place. So there, the side panels are on, that's on. I'm going to go ahead and drop the hood on there. There's 2 pins down here, one's longer than the other, so I can line up one. And then advance to the next one. And that's it. So that's how much it takes to put this together. That is actually done. The only thing I need to do is I got to put the lock in here. There's a cable that I hook onto here, so the hood only opens this far, so it doesn't flip way down. There's a tray that sits inside of here. In fact, I'm going to let this down. I'm going to go ahead and take the camera loose here. As you can see, there's a terminal strip there. There's 4 of them here bridged together. Those are all negative. So this side is negative. These are all positive. I've got wink lights that go in here. I've got perimeter lighting that's going to go under this edge. And that'll all be hooked up into here. So taking the panels off, it'll require loosening 2 screws on each side, take the grounds off and take the positive off. And then the panels can just pop right off.